Welcome to Col di Valdelsa, a hidden gem nestled in the heart of Tuscany. Today, I'll take you on a journey to discover the Upper Town, a place rich in history, culture, and breathtaking panoramas. As you stroll along the charming cobblestone streets, you'll feel like you've traveled back in time. The medieval charm blends seamlessly with the authenticity of modern life, creating a unique and captivating atmosphere. Medieval towers, symbols of power and prestige from the past, still soar towards the sky, a testament to a bygone era that's never forgotten. The walls of ancient houses tell stories of lives lived, while the well-preserved architecture speaks of a cultural heritage to be cherished with pride. Col di Valdelsa is renowned for its artisan tradition in crystal production. The skillful hands of artisans masterfully shape this precious material, creating authentic works of art that will leave you in awe. Don't miss the opportunity to visit one of the local workshops and witness the mesmerizing craftsmanship. Entering one of these workshops, you'll be greeted by the melodic sounds of master glassblowers skillfully crafting true crystal masterpieces. You can witness a true dance of skill and creativity as art takes form under their expert hands. Take a piece of Colle di Valdelsa with you, a tangible memento of this magnificent experience. The lively atmosphere of the squares will captivate you instantly. Here you can savor delicious Tuscan cuisine, indulging in traditional dishes prepared with fresh and genuine ingredients. Sit at one of the outdoor cafes and enjoy the leisurely rhythm of daily life as the warmth of the sun envelops you in a comforting embrace. The local market is an experience not to be missed, an explosion of colors and aromas mingling around the stalls. Taste local cheeses, Tuscan olives, and fragrant, freshly baked focaccias. This is the perfect time to interact with the locals, discover their traditions, and feel like an integral part of this welcoming community. From the Upper Town, you can enjoy breathtaking panoramic views of the surrounding valley. This corner of paradise will gift you moments of peace and tranquility, making your journey truly unforgettable. The surrounding hills, covered with vineyards and olive groves, create a postcard-worthy landscape that invites you to immerse yourself in the beauty of Tuscan nature. Take a deep breath and let yourself be captivated by the serenity that only these landscapes can provide. The history of Colle di Valdelsa is also reflected in its historic churches. A must-see is the Collegiata di Santa Maria Assunta, a masterpiece of architecture and sacred art that will fascinate you with its timeless beauty. The interior of this magnificent church is adorned with artworks of immeasurable value, including paintings and sculptures created by the greatest artists of the past. Admire the frescoes depicting biblical stories and immerse yourself in the sacredness of this place, where time seems to stand still. As the sun gently sets on the horizon, the magic of Colle di Valdelsa reaches its peak. A picturesque sunset will embellish your journey, creating memories that will last a lifetime. Retreat to a panoramic spot and admire the sky tinged with warm and enveloping hues. This natural spectacle will fill you with gratitude for having the opportunity to explore such a captivating and unique place. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to discover new, fascinating places to visit every week. The adventure doesn't end here, and together we'll explore the charm of other unique destinations around the world. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the upper town of Col de Valdelsa. See you in the next video, and remember, to explore is to live.